What is going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. So we're here in a new product that I bought from Amazon for my tour pack because I was tired of it, like being on the floor, and then my sissy bar from Siouxicide choppers on the floor as well. So I went on Amazon and I found this product right here. Amazing, amazing. Look at the homemade one I did before, and that was crappy. But this one right here is really good. Really, really nice. It holds your tour pack on the top if you have a tour pack, and if you have your sissy bar, you connect it right through there. Check it out. One there, one there. Really good, sturdy product. I got it from Amazon. Really strong. Pretty simple to install. You gotta find the beams and put it on there, and it looks great. I mean, it doesn't bother me. It's right out of my way. You know, I usually park my bike right there in the garage. So I had it before here, but it wasn't working out. I didn't like the way it looked. I tried to do a cheap way out, but honestly, it didn't work out. So I'm gonna take that down. And then I like the way it looks. The fact that it holds two of my sissy bar and the tour pack. Very easy on and off to take off. And I think it could actually put the another sissy bar back there. I don't know, possibility. So recommend that you actually use the screws that they give you because it will hold on nice and strong. You see that right there? See if I can focus in. So it came with like 6 screws. So if you have extras, just put it on there. Like I said, this is a really nice product. I will link the link below or on the description so you guys can buy it. And yeah, short video guys here, just showing you guys the new wall rack for your tour pack. All right guys, thank you guys, peace.